Dog, are you a good dog? You like your ball? Lila like her ball? Shows how much you like your ball. Oh, you really do like your ball. You're a good dog. You like your ball. Wow. You good ball. You like your ball. Lila's a good dog.